We always think that other people's life is better than ours, but never think that we are also different to others. No one pays money to cover a naked body, but they spend their wealth to expose the body. Never look at a person's face before making a friend, but look at their character and desire. Because if white color had loyalty, salt would heal wounds. Do not be alarmed if someone talks behind your back, because it is about those who have something special. Do not speak loudly to your parents. The day they become silent, you will long to hear their voice. Love can be one sided, compromise can be one sided, but respect is a two sided thing. It cannot be one sided.